SEO, search engine optimization, is never a completely sure thing. If a company claims that it can guarantee to get you to the top spot in the SERP's search engine result pages for any given keyword, you should run a mile. They're blowing smoke. While this is true, however, what is also true is that some methods are more successful than others, and some are more of a sure thing than others. And in that regard, the SEO strategy that is perhaps the closest thing there is to a guaranteed route to success is split testing. Split testing essentially means taking a rigorous and somewhat scientific approach to your search engine optimization, which effectively means removing the guesswork from the process. In fact, what split testing really amounts to is helping your site to evolve to become the most optimized version of itself. How does all this work? It's actually very simple, although not without a great deal of nuance that can determine the success of such endeavors. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you're going to take a deep dive looking at the power of split testing for SEO. You'll discover how to use this strategy employing the most effective tools. You'll even learn how to avoid common mistakes. You'll learn how to use split testing to sell a product. You'll also learn how to use split testing to improve engagement with your audience. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing SEO split testing and SEO for data-driven success. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is split testing? Why we need split testing now more than ever. The powerful benefits of this strategy. Why split testing works and when it doesn't. Understanding statistical significance. Using split testing for SEO success, the practical guide. The technical bit, using redirects. Tools and best practices. What to test. Advanced strategies. SEO, what we know and what split testing has shown us. Related strategies and conclusion. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start split testing in SEO. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want your site to evolve to become the most optimized version of itself. You want to be able to take your SEO activities to another level. You want to truly sell your products or really improve engagement with your audience. You want to climb the ranks of Google without shooting yourself in the foot. You want to mold any website or blog into a hugely successful titan that catapults every new post to the top of Google. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, SEO split testing cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, SEO split testing mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, SEO split testing resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start split testing and SEO for data-driven success. I'll see you on the inside.